Mushrooms are usually served as a side dish, but did you know that they are also a great substitute for meat in a lot of plant-based recipes? Their meaty texture makes them great to use as a base for the scallops in this lemon and garlic vegan scallops recipe. I'm using Mycopia's Trumpet Royal mushrooms because their stems are thick enough to pass as scallops when you slice them. You can find these mushrooms at your local Whole Foods and Safeway stores. They come in 4-ounce and 8-ounce tills. I want to thank Mycopia Mushrooms for providing the mushrooms for this recipe. I've included a link to their website below where you can get more information on their Trumpet Royal mushrooms. I'm going to take this cluster of mushrooms and pull them apart to separate each mushroom. To clean the mushrooms, just trim the ends off, then cut the stem crosswise into 1/4-inch thick slices. Set them aside as you make the marinade. Add vegetable broth, lemon juice, garlic, onion powder, dried parsley, paprika, salt, and pepper into a resealable container and stir together until combined. Add the sliced mushrooms to the marinade. Cover and shake the container so that the mushrooms are completely covered. Marinate overnight in the refrigerator. Heat a pan over medium-high heat. The pan must be hot so that the mushrooms can sear evenly. Add some vegan butter to the pan, and once it's melted, add the mushrooms and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip them over and then cook another 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the seared mushrooms from the pan, and with some of the leftover marinade, I'm going to make a sauce to serve on top of the mushrooms. Lower the heat and pour some of the marinade onto the pan. Then stir in some plant-based milk and some cornstarch mixed with water and continue stirring until the sauce thickens, then remove the pan from the heat. Serve the mushrooms with a side dish such as rice or pasta. This recipe is great for anyone who misses eating scallops or if you have a seafood allergy. I've included a link to this recipe in the description below. If you like this video, then go ahead and click on that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.